Here's the new video on how to update your device to Kodi 8.0. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to the settings at the top. We're gonna go to the settings, then we're gonna go down. We're gonna go over to applications. We're gonna click on applications. Then we're gonna go down to manage all installed apps. Then we're gonna click on it right there. We're gonna go down to Kodi. We're actually going to uninstall Kodi. So you click the OK button on Kodi. Then your first thing you're gonna do is go down to clear data, click on it, and then click on clear data again. And then we're gonna go up to uninstall, click this button, go up to uninstall, and click it. And then we're gonna click it one more time, and now we just uninstalled Kodi. From there, we're gonna click right here on this button, and we're gonna go up to ES File Explorer. Once we're in ES File Explorer, we're gonna click the OK button, and then we're gonna launch ourselves into ES File Explorer. And yours should look like this right here. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to the left. You move your remote over to the left, and we're gonna go down to Networks. Once you're in Networks, click on Networks and then go down to FTP. Click the OK button on FTP. You're looking for that file folder right there. Take your remote control, go down to FTP, click OK on FTP. Now you're gonna go down to Kodi, then you're gonna go down to pluginvideo.hdtvs4less zip. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold down the OK button for a couple of seconds so you see a check mark on it, just like that. Then we're gonna move over to the left, and then we're gonna go down till it says copy at the bottom left right there, and we're gonna click over. Now we're highlighted copy. Now we're gonna click the OK button, and we just copied it. Now we need to put it someplace. We're moving up. We're gonna move up here a minute, and we're gonna move up into local. So we're gonna go to local. We're gonna click OK on local. Then we're gonna go down to the second home. Then we're gonna click OK on home. Boom. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go all the way back over and down to paste, because we want to paste our Hdtvs4less right inside there. So we're gonna go down, and then we're gonna go over to paste. Now I'm on paste. I'm gonna click the OK button on paste, and now I'm gonna overwrite. Click OK and click overwrite. Now it's gonna overwrite it right there. So then what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go back up to Networks. There's our network. We're gonna click Networks, and then we're gonna go back down to FTP. Click OK on FTP. There's our file. We're gonna click on FTP right now. Then there's Kodi. We're gonna go to Kodi right there. Click OK. Then we're gonna go to 17.0. Click the OK button, and now we're gonna let Kodi load up. Just give it a minute. It's gonna load our Kodi version up. Then it's gonna ask us a couple of questions at the bottom, and I'll show you what to do. So let's just let it load up. Okay, Kodi's loaded up. Now it asks us to install. So take your remote control, go down, it's on market, now it's on install, click OK, and now it's gonna start to, then what we wanna do is we wanna go down to the bottom. You're using this button to go down to the bottom, go over to install, click OK, and now it's gonna start installing Kodi. This is gonna give us a new version of Kodi, one you haven't seen before. This is 17.0. We'll just give it a minute and we'll let Kodi load up. Now at the bottom it says done and open. We're gonna go down to done and go over to open. Then we're gonna click the OK button. Now this is opening the brand new version of Kodi. Just give it a minute. Screen goes black, that's fine. Version 17.0, Krypton. Okay. Now here's what you want to do. On your remote control, you're going to go down to add-ons. Then you're going to click the OK button on add-ons. Then right at the top left, there's those right there, right at the top left, you're going to highlight that, then you're going to click the OK button, just like that. Now you're going to go down to install from zip file and click the OK button, and then you're going to, for security installation of add-ons, click settings, click the OK button. Now we're on unknown sources, just keep it there. Now click the OK button, And that just toggled it over. And we're going to say yes. Yes. And then we're going to use this little back arrow button. We're going to click back right here. And then we're on install from zip file. Then you're going to click OK again. And then you're going to go down to external storage and then click the OK button again. And then you're going to go all the way down to the bottom. Hdtvs4less. There it is. Then we're going to click the OK button. And then we're going to go back one more with the back arrow button. We're going to click back one more. And there's our Hdtvs4less now. We're going to go over to it with this part of the remote. Click over to it. Now click OK. And it's going to pull them up right now for us. And there's the old version that you had on your device. We're going to go over to our new version. I'm going to click OK. And that's going to start to load up our new version. This is going to load up twice. It's going through one process now. Then it will do the exact same thing again. Once that is done, I will tell you what to do. So your device should be following along right with me. This is going to put the new version of Kodi on your device with a couple new apps and most of the same old apps that you had on there before. So let's just give it a minute and we're going to let Kodi load up. If you like on this video, you can always pause the video, let yours load up, then you can fast forward through the rest. But I just want to give you the exact way it's going to be done on your device as well. So it's almost to the end here, and then it's going to do it for a second time as well. As you can see, it's loading up for the second time. We'll just let it load up. Depend on your internet speed, depends on how fast this loads up. Do not get impatient with it. It does take a minute to get it done. Like I said before, you can always pause my video, let yours load up all the way, and then you can fast forward my video to the next section. The next section is very important and very crucial. If you miss it, it will not load up the new version of Kodi and it will not work. Once again, just be patient with it. It takes a minute. It will load up. We're almost at the end there. We're almost done. Almost there. There we go. Do not do anything right here. Do not do anything. What you're going to do is you're going to click the home button right now. Do not do anything except click the home button. Just like that. You click the home button. Now here's what we're going to do. We're going to go over to settings. We're going to go down to applications. We're going to go to Applications, click OK button. We're going to go down to Manage All Installed Apps. We're going to click the OK button. Then we're going to go down to Kodi. We're going to click the OK button on Kodi. Now we're going to click Force Stop. Click Force Stop, then click Launch Application. And this is going to load up our brand new version of Kodi. Give it a second. See? Our brand new version. Give it a minute to load itself up. There it goes. It's loading itself up. Sometimes at the bottom right, it'll start loading up apps on the bottom right. Just give it some time. Let it load itself up. See, it says HDTV version 8.0. That is the new version that we're on right now. There's a brand new all-in-one section. Notice the backgrounds are different, that sort of thing. In movies, we have new apps. We have a new app right here called Zen. We have an MU4 app. So we have different apps and whatnot. This is just telling you how to do stuff right now. So then you can click back in and you'll be all set and you can go right back to your apps. You will need to go back into Specto if you were using it for TV shows and reload your favorites because they're not there. If you have any questions, give me a call or text me. Talk to you later. Bye.